Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate learning management with Teachable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating learning management with Teachable, first, create your account on the Teachable website. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Next, click on the Create New Course button to start a new course. Provide a course title that clearly reflects the content you will provide. In the course description, outline what students can expect to learn. After filling in the course details, click Save to proceed. Now, navigate to the Curriculum section. Here, you will organize your course content into sections and lectures. To add a section, click on Add Section and enter a name. Then, to add lectures within the section, select Add Lecture. You can choose from various content types, such as videos, quizzes, and text. After adding your lectures, upload any video or PDF content you wish to include. Once your content is uploaded, you can set the lecture to be drip-fed if desired. Drip content allows you to release lectures over time, providing a structured learning path. Next, move to the Settings tab within your course dashboard. Under Settings, configure your pricing model by selecting a payment option. Teachable offers options like one-time payments, subscriptions, or payment plans. Set your preferred price and payment details, then click Save. To ensure your course is discoverable, customize the SEO settings in the Settings tab. Fill in the title, meta description, and keywords to enhance online visibility. Next, you can enable email automation to keep your students engaged. Navigate to the Emails section and choose from a variety of email notifications. Automated emails can be sent for new enrollments, course updates, or reminders. After setting up your emails, review your course preview to check the layout and content. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, publish your course by clicking the Publish Course button. To maximize your automation, integrate Teachable with tools like Zapier. This integration allows you to connect Teachable with other apps for seamless workflows. Consider automating your marketing efforts by linking to your email service provider. Finally, monitor your course analytics to track student progress and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.